Hi children, welcome to grade 4 English and this is our session 7 in chapter 5 The Elephant's Child. And before getting into our session, let's do an energizer. Children, share some rules you should obey in school. Yeah. And children, you can write the answers in your note and you can post it in grade 4 English Google Classroom. And now let's do an activity. It's about class activity, that is in your workbook page number 58, 10th question. The snake is an important character in the story. Do you agree? What do you think would have happened without the snake's help? Okay, what do you think about snake? Do you think it is an important character in the story? It may be yes or no. You can write your own answer. And what do you think would have happened without snake's help to the elephant's child? That also you should explain in brief. And next, 11th question. Do you think the elephant child's curiosity helped him to learn a lesson for life? And with the help of the elephant child's curiosity, what he learned and whether it helped him to learn a lesson for life. You have to explain in brief. Okay? Yeah. And next we are moving on to our application part. And in workbook page number 60, an objective of this application is to mark house rules using simple sentences. We are going to make simple sentences, right? The elephant's child did not obey his family before moving out on his own to the Limpopo River. Without obeying his family, the elephant's child decided to go himself to the Limpopo River, and after that he faced so many problems and struggles there because of the crocodile and his curiosity, right? And now let's make a list of rules we should follow at home and outside for our safety with the help of simple sentences, right? And first question, make a list of rules that you should follow in your house and outside. You have to make certain list of rules that you should follow in your home and also outside for your own safety. Okay, and after completing this, you have to underline the subject and predicate in each sentence. And second one, make a list of rules that you want to follow in your classroom. Yes, same as that of house, you have to create it for classroom also. And third one, do you have a rule or rules which is common in both the list, that is in house and classroom, and why you have to follow in both places, that you have to explain in brief. Yes. Yeah. And fourth one, I learned dash while doing this application. What you have learned. I would like to thank dash for helping me in this application. Who you would like to thank. And sixth one is, I completed this application in dash day or days. How much time you took to complete this application. Okay. Yeah. And now we are going to learn about notice. Okay. What is a notice? Where you can find this notice? Okay. With the newspapers, there will be certain notices, right? About information on some events or activities that we are having in our hometown. Yes, or places around this town, right? And now we are going to learn some more informations about notice and how we can able to create a notice. And a notice is used to formally give information for activities, announcements, or events. Notices are pinned on display boards in schools, public places, or newspapers. And now here they have given you sample of notice writing. Okay. And first, what you should write? Name of the school or organization. Okay. And second one is notice. You have to mention notice. Okay, and third one is title. You have to give suitable title about your notice. Okay, it may be what you are going to convey in this notice. Based on that, you have to give suitable title. And fourth one is date of issue. On which date you are issuing this notice. And next, body of the notice. In body of the notice, you have to give brief explanation of what this notice is about. Okay, and you can read this. A wristwatch was found lying in the school playground. It was given to the receptionist. The owner of the watch may collect it after giving a proper description of the watch. Like this, you have to brief what you are going to convey in your notice in brief message. And next, name of the authorized signatory. If in case you are writing as a school, means you can use principal, correspondent, okay, their names. Or for common persons, you can write your own name. Next, designation. What is the designation of that particular person? Okay, you can write principal, or for organizations you can write owner, MD, directors. Like this you can write. Based on what notice you are creating, you can change this information slightly. Okay children, I hope now you are clear about this notice writing, right? And what is the value we learned from this chapter? That is the elephant's child. Yes, to seek knowledge. We always should be curious about learning new things, and we always should seek knowledge so that we can learn many things and we can gain to know about all the activities and all the things around us, right? Yeah. And now let me tell you the home assignment for today's session. Children, you have to complete the MCQ in your workbook page number 59. And after completing that, you have to complete C3 part. And objective of this C3 part is to inculcate the spirit of curiosity and knowledge. And curiosity always makes us gain knowledge in many different ways. We should ask questions to satiate our curiosity and understand things better. And first activity, make a poster on different sources of knowledge we most commonly use. Okay, which are the ways we can gain knowledge? You have to make a poster on different sources of knowledge. It may be books, it may be from our parents, from our grandparents, from our teachers, or it may be through internet. Yes, many websites. There are many sources of knowledge, or through our experience, right? Based on that, you have to make a poster. You have to make it very creatively. And second activity, use degrees of comparison to create a poem related to the story. You have to create a poem related to the story using degrees of comparison. And third activity is, imagine that the elephant in the story, that is the elephant's child, is lost while on his way to the Limpopo river. Okay, while he was going to the Limpopo river, the elephant's child got lost, and you have to create a notice to find him. Clear? And you have to give proper description and everything from notice writing. So you can refer that and create a beautiful notice. Okay? And children, hand in your completed homework in grade 4 English Google Classroom. Drink more water, eat healthy food, reduce your screen time, give adequate rest to your eyes, don't use mobile phones and television often, and stay home and stay safe children. Thank you so much.